Alright, hello everyone. Doing a midday thing. Try to get some footage on the job. So, there's a firmware update initiated last night on our, there we are, on our DMPS unit. And it's booted, but it's not letting it connect. It says boot complete, power, no network, but it says LAN, but it's a yellow light. I don't remember if a yellow light is normal. In this case, let's do this. Since that's the controller, let's see if the room will turn on. No activity, so something is up. Let's force a restart. I'll probably also text. Yes, I don't know. Let's see. There it is. Alright, so we're gonna force a restart the typical way. We're gonna unplug, wait a few seconds, and we're gonna plug it back in. Whew. Okay. So this is gonna take a little bit. Stalo poszedł groj, gradus wyżysta, tylko na biedzie stał, eta Spartak z nami, Moskwa za nami finał. Which one is this? .233, it says 320. Yeah, I gotta run by networking and drop something off. Alright, let's wait a few minutes. In the meantime, set that down. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip that to my other belt loop. Sorry, I can't hold a camera with crap. Let's see. Excuse me. Let me give them a call. Hey. Alright, so came down here and it says boot, or it said boot complete on the display. Green power light and a yellow LAN light. I force restarted it, just power cycled it, and it came to the exact same result. So to me that sounds like something didn't go quite as planned. Oh, okay. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Okay, yep. Yeah, that would be pretty old then. Oh. Yeah, it's not fully complete for full split. Is that something that we could finish? Yeah, that becomes the issue. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, it's not exactly the fastest. Wow. I was gonna, yeah. Oh yeah. I was gonna ask. So Chris is having me go around in at night when I'm doing my rounds and just kind of incrementally at a time, checking and fixing the host names on the touch panels on the DMPSs. Would it be like pertinent to update any of them in firmware wise if they're older than a certain version? Okay. That's what I thought. I just thought I should check because it's one of those things like, oh, you were doing that. I should have told you to do this. So, how many times that situation's come up? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that. Yeah, that would be pretty useful. Mm-hmm. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Um, Holy crap, it's almost a decade now. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Um, uh, that's good. Also, I forgot to mention this to Michael yesterday, and it's probably not really all that important anyway, but I noticed in Dunlap, it's in the basement floor, or the bottom floor, the classroom that's like right there in front of the stairwell that has 3 projectors in it. I think it's like 106 or 104 or 106 or something. It might be. It's got 3 Sonys. Yeah, it's got 3 Sonys in there. One of them's not turning off with the system anymore. So, or turning on with the system, for that matter. I did. Power cycled all 3 of them and the system. But that didn't seem to change it. I had an issue like that in one of the mic control rooms the other day where one of the projectors wasn't turning on and off with the system. Power cycling it also didn't fix it, but then I came in the next day and it was suddenly working just fine. So, Yeah, I think I've seen a couple tickets like that. Yeah. Yep. And that seems to be the ones where we're having issues. Like, Yeah, because I noticed in Cyber Range today, it was all working, but it was in an extended mode, not a mirror mode, or whatever. Yeah, so yeah, it was. Well, they might make good equipment. That's one thing Michael told me. They don't make good software. At least it's nice and cold in this room. The air conditioner's even on too. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Mm-hmm. Yes. I don't think any of the keys are gonna fit. Let me see if this might. Aha, the audio cable will. Or this sensor cable will, yeah. So, HWSW, HWSW, just that pair 5 times. 5 times in a row, okay. Alright. Alright, let me do that. Alright. Didn't change anything on the LCD here. Oh, nope, there we go. System boot up. Okay. Yeah. And hopefully you won't have to make a trip all the way down here just for that. Okay. I mean... Yeah, I mean, I remember doing a couple of factory resets on the 150s. This took about an hour sometimes. So, yeah, I can come back and find out, like, end of the day or tonight. I mean, see if it comes back up to the same thing. Yeah. Doesn't it normally say, once it's properly booted up, it normally just says DMPS350 on the display, if I remember correctly? Okay. Okay, it doesn't just say, like, boot up complete or whatever it was saying. Okay, that's what I thought, so that would give me an easy sign to tell whether or not it actually is back or something else is going on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's not right now anyway. There will be in this building a lot of them come a year or two. Okay, yeah. All right. Yep, you're welcome. Let me know if I need to do anything else. I'm still working on trying to get in touch with SGA. So, yeah, I had no idea. So, I'll do it as best as I can. Yep. Yeah, see ya. Bye. Alright, so, as much as that as you heard, trying to do a factory reset on it. It's not letting my boss communicate with it to set it up. They have an event in here on Friday night, and then they have an event that he just found out about on Saturday that wasn't part of the original plan. So we're trying to get this thing working, and right now it's not letting him communicate. After this firmware update, something's going wrong and it's not booting up correctly. So we're trying to factory reset. He's going to see if he can connect to it in a couple hours, because these factory resets take forever. So we're going to do that. We're going to hopefully be able to connect to it. If not, he's going to have to come up here on Friday. So I'll check it tonight. I'll check it later this afternoon, just whichever one I get to first, and we'll see if it does a proper factory reset or something else goes wrong. So, all right, that's going to be it for this DMPS diagnosis on the job. So I will catch you later. Peace out.